Does your HiSense Fire TV kind of keeps turning off by itself in the middle of streaming or when you pause the content for a while? Well, let's find out what's triggering the auto shutdown and how you can fix it. So first, we're going to check if the TV is shutting down around the same time or after sitting idle for a while. So while you're on your home screen, just press on the settings button on your remote. And from this menu, just go ahead, scroll down and check the sleep settings. If it's on, you'll see this countdown timer right from this menu. So you can just turn it off all the way, or you can just go to the sleep timer option and scroll down all the way and extend the timer to the highest. Another thing I will remind you, if it's connected to Alexa or any smart home device, just check for routines or commands to turning it off. Now, if there is no clear pattern, it just randomly keeps turning off, we're going to just perform a cold boot. So just go ahead and unplug it from the power outlet. So in the middle of the power cycle, you can just go ahead and check and make a couple of things here. Like make sure the power cord is firmly connected to TV. You can also check the cord for any visible damage or, those connections. If you're using any power strip, surge protector, you can connect the TV directly to the wall outlet. That's all. Turn on your TV. Now, apart from that, it might be a remote issue. What that means is just make sure the power button on your remote isn't stuck or being pressed accidentally. Keep your TV turned on for a couple of hours and check if the pattern or problem is fixed. Now, if the auto shutdown keeps happening, and if another connected device like a streaming stick or gaming console is sending power commands to the TV, HDMI CSC could be responsible. So to turn it off, just navigate yourself to settings on your TV. Scroll down to display and sounds. Scroll down in the section till the bottom. Hit HDMI CSC device control. Go to the power off or power control option and simply turn it off. Now, since you're in the settings, you can also check for a software update. From the devices and software section, just go ahead and make sure there is no pending software update. If there is an update, check for it and install it on your TV. Even after checking all this, if your HiSense Fire TV still keeps shutting down without any prompt or randomly, lastly, what you can do is just give it a reset to factory defaults and see if the problem's solved. Just note that a reset will erase your account from your TV, all your customized settings, and install third-party apps. After reset up your TV and check if the TV still keeps turning off. If it doesn't, fantastic. If it does, the issue may be hardware related, and at this point, contact HiSense support for future assistance. Let us know what happens so we can come and suggest you or assist you further. Thanks for your time.